In today's lecture, we're going to talk about data types and variables in Python. A variable is a name that refers to a value stored in computer's memory. You can think of a variable as a container for storing data values. In this example, age is a variable for storing an integer value, name is a variable for storing a string, and is a student is a variable for storing a Boolean value. In this case, this is a student stores a true value. Rules for naming variables. Variable names must start with a letter or underscore. They cannot start with a number. Variable names can only contain letters, numbers, and underscores. Variable names are case sensitive. For example, A's with capital A is different from A's with a small a. Data types. Different data types can be defined in Python. They don't have to be explicitly defined, but these are the keywords we can use to define data types. Int, for example, is for integer or whole numbers. Float is for decimal numbers. Str is for string. Bool is for Boolean. List is an ordered collection. Tuple is an ordered immutable collection. Dictionary is a key value pairs, and set is unordered collection. This is how we define different types of data types in Python. So understanding data types and variables helps in organizing and manipulating data effectively in Python programming. In this course, we're going to use Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook. If you have not used Anaconda before, please mention that in the comment, and I will upload a detailed video of how to install Anaconda and run Jupyter Notebook. So if you have already installed Anaconda, you can go to Anaconda prompt. From there, you can type, for example, conda list to see all the packages that are installed with Anaconda. So these are the packages that are already pre-installed with Anaconda. Next, to run the Jupyter Notebook, just type Jupyter Notebook and it will open a new window for the notebook, which looks like this. You can create a new file from here, and in this block you can directly type a code and use the run command to run the code. For example, this is a hello world program, and you can run it like this. Now in the next example, we're gonna ask the user to input two numbers, add them and store them in a different variable and print the result. So these are the input statement. It converts into float and stores in num1 and num2. Result of addition is stored in a result variable, and then the output is printed. You can run the code and input the numbers, and the output will be displayed.